I don't think I am good so I can enter this school. It's just some social inequality, because I have more resource to let me get higher score to enter this college, but that doesn't mean I am better than others.
我们来看我们的台大的学弟妹们，英文到底有没有输给东大学生还有首尔大学学生啊？台湾大学生加油！Excuse me, do you have a moment? 采访啊。What are your names?
George.
Eric.
Yeah.
What do you study?
Communication engineering.
Do you guys have a moment?
Hey, Jerry.
Do you want to try? Jerry, come on.
My name is Jerry. I'm studying mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Okay. We're asking some questions about the school. Only one?
I'm Jake.
I'm Willie.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering?
Yeah.
I'm Sam. I study in East Asian Studies. I'm interested in Chinese intellectual history. My research study period is medieval China, about Tang Song, focus on the political thought.
That sounds very good.
Sounds very hard. Yeah, actually very hard.
Howard. Library and information science.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My mother studied the same thing.
Oh, really?
It's pretty cool.
Sean. Sean also.
Double Sean.
Political science. Me too.
My name is Jessica.
And what are you studying?
Teaching Chinese as a second language.
How do you like the school so far?
I think the teacher in our school is best and the student also.
Free. Really? In what
Enjoy
way?
freedom. All kinds of.
I think it's really great. There's a lot of resources.
I have many good classmates and teachers, and we have a lot of good academic resources. So actually, I learned a lot. Yeah. I don't think I am good so I can enter this school. It's just some social inequality, because I have more resource to let me get higher score to enter this college, but that doesn't mean I am better than other students.
Out of it, it's the best university in Taiwan.
NTU is the best university in Taiwan. The best.
Pretty great.
Thanks to my mom and dad.
Do you feel pressure because NTU is the best school?
Sometimes.
How so?
For having such classmates like him. No, it's pretty competitive.
Makes your life difficult having people like him around.
Yeah, every day is just competition.
How about you?
Sometimes I feel stressed because I have a friend like him.
Have you ever had a bike stolen before?
I have a really old bicycle, so I don't care if it's stolen.
Oh, so you don't want a good bike because it might get stolen. Do you have any favorite classes?
Spanish class.
Spanish
class.
Really? How did you decide to study Spanish?
The teacher is beautiful.
Teacher is beautiful.
Can you introduce yourself by Spanish?
Hola.
Just hola.
1 year. Hola.
It's okay, it's okay. Do you have any classes you don't like?
For now, not.
Do any other students like sleep in class ever?
For now, not.
No?
Yeah.
Oh. Do people like sleep in class or?
They all pay attention to class. Very hardworking.
Don't you ever skip the class or something?
Yeah, I not hardworking.
You're not.
He's hardworking.
Okay, he's more honest.
Yeah.
So you never skip the class?
Maybe once a year.
Once a year?
What do you like to do after classes?
After class, I need to do my research.
Do you have any ways to like relax?
I'm going to gym to do exercise.
The library over here, the social science library, the environment is pretty good and it's very beautiful. So I very enjoy studying here.
I play table tennis.
Table tennis. You're very good in?
So.
So.
I used to be a president in my department.
Your English is very, very well.
There's a lot of students have better English ability than me.
Oh, you're very humble. Do you have any special ways to study?
For me, I watching English news channel every day.
Oh, okay.
So I think it's good for you to practice your listening. But if you want to speak better, you should try more. Yeah, and not just try to speak with foreign people. You can talk with your friends, and they can just.
It's a good idea.
Yeah, they can give you some advice. Yeah.
Any kind of practice is good practice.
Yeah.
In the future, what do you guys hope to do?
IC design maybe.
Okay, IC design. What do you want to do in the future?
Actually, I want to be a secondary school's teacher.
secondary school.
and teach English. I joined a volunteer club to teach students.
Okay, so volunteer teaching.
Oh, I want to work in journalism.
Journalism.
Yeah.
Cool. So, would you hope to stay in Taiwan to do that? Or
Currently, yes.
currently, yeah.
跟首尔大学比起来，就是台大学生普遍比较害羞，害羞的程度感觉跟东京大学蛮接近的。
嗯，对。
那今天我们在台大的英文采访，对，结束了。
要感谢台大的学生。
对，非常非常感谢。对，我觉得台大变得好漂亮。
对对对，
我好想要再来读一次台大。那今天的我们录影就到这里，
用英文做自己，你也可以。
那我们下次再见，大家拜拜。
谢谢，拜拜。